Hello everyone, welcome to Property Experts where we provide you information related to property in a sensible manner. Hence, before purchasing property worth lakhs and crores of rupees, please do watch our videos so that you never fall under any sort of a scam or a fraud. Well, this video is on how to make a bed and lay bedsheet perfectly. Bedroom is the back to a channel. Simplify your place where you have after a long tiring day you want to relax and have peaceful sleep. Making a bed every morning is considered one of the best morning habits. It takes only 2 minutes to rearrange your bed every morning. So let's see how to make this kind of bed and keep it neat and tidy all the time. First most important tip is to protect and cover your mattress with good quality cotton mattress cover. There are so many good brands who make mattress covers. Optionally, you may also go for waterproof cotton covers. Like the one we have these covers. These protect mattresses from accidental spillage and help in keeping your bedsheet intact. Fitted covers like this can be easily placed on the mattress. Most of the mattresses are made of synthetic cover, so bed sheet and the bed should easily slip off, no matter how perfectly you lay them. I have put the link in the description for the product. One of the tips is to use the king size bed sheets, no matter if your bed is queen size or king size, the largest size available. The trick is especially helpful for those who do not have mattress cover. I am showing you how to lay a perfect tight bed on a queen and a king size bed. Here, I am showing you how to lay a perfect tight bed sheet on a queen size bed. I have taken a king size bed sheet for this bed, which is the largest size now. Open the bed sheet and spread it on the mattress equally from all the sides. Now pull the mattress in the front, take both the ends of the bed sheet in your bed and tie a knot like the clean up the crease and place all the extra material inside or under the mattress. Now do the same on the opposite side. Take both the ends and tie the knot, put all the extra part inside. Once then push your mattress to become of its place, remove the crease by firmly putting these extra edges onto the mattress. Now your bedsheet will not move from its place. Every morning just clear the crease from the edges and tighten it and you are good to go. Place the pillows. This open part of the pillow should not face the Roman prints. It does not look good. Just place them on the opposite side of the endsills. Now place the cushion or show pillows. If you have, then now if you use quilt or comforter, then spread it on the bed. Hold the top edge of the point where you have placed the pillows or cushions or if it's cushions. Clear the crease from all the sides. Now insert the bottom edge under the mattress and that's it. Your bed is done. You can find or fold your comforter in layers. Like this, the top end should be facing the pillows. By doing this, it is very easy to grab the comforter when needed. Looks neat and at the same time easy to fold it back or simply fold the comforter and place it at the bottom of your bed. If you don't use to fold back or simply fold the comforter and place it at the bottom of your bed. If you don't use comforter, you can do the same with the bed sheet. Also just fold the sheet nicely and place it at the bottom of your bed. Now by any chance if you do not have larger bed sheet or your bed is the same size as your bed sheet as you have two single mattresses, then what so for the first step is to use the cotton mattress cover, and second tip is to split the widget evenly by leaving some extra gaps in all four sides of the bed. Now tie the loose knot in all four corners of the bed sheet just near a little below to the mattress cardinals. Like this it will become a half-witted sheet. Now just put the top and inside and hide the knots by firmly placing them under the mattress. Do the same with the other three sides and clear the crease by firmly pressing the sheet and placing it under the mattress. These does not act like an anchor points and it will help the bedsheet to stay in position. That's it. Even if it gets messy, tidying up is very easy to remember and it takes only 2 minutes to rearrange your bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Do watch all our videos to educate yourself regarding property and its accessories. Thank you.